Hi guys, how do we get the very best quality out of this teeny sensor in this teeny weeny camera? Now there are a few settings to be aware of, so in this video I'm going to tell you what they are, how to set them, and then you can always ensure that you're getting the very best quality out of the Insta360 Go 3. Now being such a tiny camera with a miniature sensor, we can hardly expect it to have great footage to rival much larger action cameras. But it can still deliver surprisingly good quality footage. However, you're going to get the very best quality if you shoot in good lighting conditions and change the settings to maximize the quality. First of all, of course, you need to ensure you're always shooting in the highest resolution available, which is 2.7K. This might seem like a given, but it's actually very easy to accidentally change the resolution or use a preset which isn't at the highest resolution. For example, the outdoors preset is actually at 1440 rather than 2.7K, so for vlogging it's probably not really necessary to shoot at 2.7K, but for all other action footage always check that it's set to 2.7K. Next, check that the bitrate is actually set high. Now this setting is kind of hidden away, so to get it, swipe down from the top to access the settings, then to the right till you see the cog symbol. Click on that, and then scroll down all the way until you see the video bitrate option. Click on that and make sure that it's set to high for the very best bitrate. Okay, so the next setting is right underneath it, and that is video sharpness. Now I would suggest that you set it to medium rather than high or highest, as these two higher sharpness levels make the footage look a little bit too over digital and can actually degrade the image, as it can introduce a lot of artifacts and jagged edges in the footage. Okay, so that's a pretty quick video for today. So they are the three settings to change to ensure you're getting the very best quality out of this little camera. Now always ensure you're shooting in bright conditions where possible, as this camera's quality will very much depend on having good light levels. Now as soon as the light levels drop, then this little camera footage will start to degrade significantly. Anyway, that's it for today, and I hope that's useful information. As always, please help support the channel by giving it a big fat like, and check that lovely subscribe button down below. Other than that, take care, and I shall see you soon.